Yesterday we were looking at shape, looking for 2D shapes and 3D objects. Today we're going to have a focus on the properties of the shapes. So we're going to look for their faces, edges and corners. Right, we're going to start with this shape, and it is a cube. And in the cube you've got faces, and the faces are made up of squares. And there's 6 different faces and there's 6 squares that make it up. We've also got these edges that run along the side. And corners. I'd like you to pause the video and you're going to go and find a cube. Go and find a cube. Now you've got your cube, can you work out how many corners there are and how many edges there are? Did you work it out? There's 8 corners and 12 edges. Now we're looking at a new shape. Have a think, what do you think it is? Did you guess right? It's a cuboid. So see if you can go and find one, press pause, see if you can go and find a cuboid. Now you found the cuboid, can you work out how many faces, how many corners and how many edges? Pause it while you figure it out. How did you do? There's 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges, the same as the cube. Now we're looking at a sphere. A sphere is quite unusual because there's not actually any faces, because a face is generally a flat 2D shape, and if you flattened out a ball, you wouldn't get a regular shape. So there aren't any faces, there aren't any corners, there's no jaggy bits, and there's no straight edges. There's a curved surface, so there's one curved surface, but that's all there is. Here's our final shape we're going to look at today. What do you think it is? Did you guess right? It's a cylinder. Pause the video, see if you can find a cylinder and work out how many faces, how many corners, how many edges. Did you get it right? There's 3 faces, circle here, circle at the bottom, and this bit, once it's folded out, would give you a large rectangle. There's no corners, and there's 2 edges, around the top and around the bottom. Now have a go at this game. There's a link on the assignment. Good luck!